In this video, you will learn how to install the Lorex Connect X series, X5 bullet camera with XC 4K network video recorder. The XC 4K NVR is available in 8, 16, or 32 channels. These products are sold separately and are only compatible with the Lorex Connect app. What's in the box? XC 4K 16-channel NVR, power cable, HDMI cable, 8 HDD screws, 2 alarm in-out terminal block connectors, 4 adhesive foam feet pads, 2 mounting brackets, and 6 mounting bracket screws, as well as the X5 4K PoE bullet camera, mounting template, 4 mounting anchors, 4 mounting screws, Allen key, and a weather-resistant RJ45 cable gland. It is recommended to connect the cameras to the NVR first before mounting them. Connect your home router to the NVR using the included network cable. Connect a monitor to the NVR by using the HDMI cable and USB mouse. Next, connect the camera by inserting the cable into the PoE port. Plug in the power adapter, then switch the power to on. You will see a light turn on. Refer to the monitor and follow the on-screen steps to complete the Lorex setup wizard. For the 32-channel NVR system, connect the cameras to the PoE switch using Ethernet cables. Then connect the PoE switch to the same router or network as the NVR using a network cable. The PoE switch is sold separately. Download the Lorex Connect app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, create a new account or log in with your existing Lorex account. Ensure your phone is on the same network as the router and NVR. Tap Add Device and select Recorder. Then, follow the in-app steps to complete the setup. You will have to create a password for your NVR. Once you've added your recorder in the app and can see the added camera, you're ready to mount the camera in the desired location. Decide what you want to monitor and pick a spot that gives you the widest, clearest view. For best performance, mount the camera at about 10 feet by 3 meters high. Mark and drill the holes using the mounting template. Use the correct drill bit for the surface and drill through the marked holes. Insert the mounting anchors into each of the drill holes. Use the cable notch to neatly route the camera cable. Drill or screw in the mounting bracket using the mounting screws. Set the angle and lock the camera when you are finished. Remove the lens film. Secure the weather-resistant cap by following the steps shown here. Then connect power to the camera. Once your camera is installed, use the Lorex Connect app to set motion detection. Create motion detection zones by dragging your fingers on the phone screen. Then enable person and vehicle detection or turn on deterrence lighting. We hope you found this installation video helpful. To view the full user manual, visit your product support page or visit lorex.com/help.